Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. Let's face it, we've all been there. You're reviewing your financial records in QuickBooks and realize there's a mistake or an outdated entry that needs to be removed. Whether it's a simple error or an entry you no longer need, deleting a journal entry in QuickBooks can help keep your financial records accurate and up to date. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step of this process, making sure you can handle it swiftly and effectively. To begin, make sure you are logged into your QuickBooks account. This step is crucial because you need full access to all the features that QuickBooks offers. As you reach the login page, select QuickBooks Online to proceed. Type in your email or username along with your password and then hit the Continue button. Once you are logged in, you'll be greeted by your QuickBooks dashboard, which is essentially the nerve center for managing all your financial activities. Now let's navigate to the next important area. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll notice the navigation menu. Within this menu, there's a section labeled Reports. Click on this to access a variety of reporting tools. Today, our focus will be on the For My Accountant section. This is a particularly useful area that contains various financial documents and records that are essential for accountants. Inside the For My Accountant list, you'll need to locate the option labeled Journal. Clicking on this will open up the Journal Report, which is a detailed list of all your current journal entries. This comprehensive list is tailored to the financial transactions of your business, ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Next, we need to locate the specific journal entry you wish to delete. To make this task easier, use the filtering options available on the page. Click on Transaction Type to hone in on the exact kind of entry you are searching for. Once you've filtered through and identified the correct journal entry, click on it. This action will open up a detailed view of the transaction, allowing you to review all the specifics. With the journal entry open, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on More. This will bring up a drop-down menu with additional options. Among these options, you will find the Delete button. Clicking on Delete is almost the final step in this process. However, before the entry is permanently removed, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm your decision. It's crucial to double-check that you are deleting the right entry, because this action cannot be undone within QuickBooks. If you're certain, go ahead and click Yes to confirm and complete the deletion. You have successfully deleted a journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, this action is irreversible, so always make sure to double-check your entries before proceeding with deletion. By following these steps, you can ensure your QuickBooks records remain clean and accurate, which is essential for effective financial management. That's it for this tutorial on how to delete a journal entry in QuickBooks. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.